our previous two videos, we talked about dreams, the importance of writing them down, and what type of dreams there are. Today, we're going to do an in-depth learning about how to make your own dream dictionary from your dream journal. What is a dream dictionary? In any given dream, there will be symbols that feature prominently, and you will need to understand them in order to make sense of the dream. Dream symbols include things like people and names, places, numbers, colors, objects, or certain actions. If you're big into dreams, the chances are you have seen the dream dictionaries that are widely available on both the internet and book format that promises to help us understand these symbols. But dream symbols are personal. It is vital to understand that dreams are personal, that there's no one-size-fits-all meaning for dream symbols. That's why the dream dictionaries and advice from other websites could be so confusing. What a dream element means for another person could be totally different for you. There are distinct advantages to compiling our own dream dictionary. This is a record of symbols that have appeared in our own dreams and what we think they meant in them. If you interpret your dreams regularly, you will notice that certain symbols, like people and places you know, plus other common elements, regularly appear in your dream. How to compile your own dream dictionary? There are some practical steps you can take when building your own personal dream list. Decide where you want to record your list is first. Most people start with a handwritten journal, and at the end of the journal is your dream dictionary. It's easier, though, to use something like OneNote digitally so you can alphabetize your dictionary and make it easier for yourself. Second, how do you know what these symbols mean to you? Well, you can research ideas for your dream symbol list. There's many resources online that can help you decipher your dream symbols. These are just suggestions to help you get started and to see if they actually apply to your dream. There's no reason to have an extensive dream diary. You just start writing your personal list and adding to it gradually as you're interpreting your dreams. Understanding your dream symbols. A symbol is only relevant in the context of the whole dream. Therefore, it's important to interpret the whole dream before coming to a conclusion about what a particular symbol meant in it. To help with deciphering your dream symbols in more detail, ask yourself questions. Is it positive or negative? Is it in the Bible? Does it have a personal meaning? Does it have a cultural meaning? Is it something familiar? What is the object used for? What is the object made of? What is the appearance? What is the color? Is this a word play? Ask yourself some questions. This will help. Once you have interpreted your dream and feel fairly sure what an element means in it, or at least have narrowed it down to a few ideas, take some time to add it to your personal dictionary. It's easier to add it to the dictionary instead of leaving it with the dream in case you need to go back to it. Although we must be careful not to become too rigid about our dream symbols and meanings, there's some that you should separate and put in a dream Bible. The dream Bible is a separate list of things that are reoccurring in your dreams, like certain numbers that are consistent, certain colors that you may see over and over again. Names. If you hear a name of a person or you see a name of the person, look up the name and see what the name means. Also, people in the dreams can mean so much more than just their name. Keep a separate list of friends, family members, colleagues, and what they may represent in your dream. Use this all as a starting point. Add them when you identify what they mean in a particular dream. For example, the name Leah means weary meadow or field. The color beige means uncertainty with a hint of hope and joy. If you interpret your dreams regularly, it's easy to become complacent and assume the dream elements always mean the same thing. Sometimes the meaning of the dream symbols change as life moves on. Someone who was currently your boss may be your old boss. Your new car becomes your old car. Your husband or wife becomes your ex. So the meaning can vary from dream to dream. An element can mean one thing in one dream and a different in another, even though nothing has changed in your life. Sometimes a meaning will just suddenly change. Sometimes a symbol that has meant the same thing in your dreams for ages can suddenly change meaning. There's no rhyme or reason. Sometimes the universe just puts us on a different path to keep us on our toes. So what we learned is dreams are personal, and everybody's dream means something different to them. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our spiritual learning playlist for the 2 previous videos on dreams and even more spiritual learning. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.